Mason Pot fam, easy green dragon tincture using 7 grams of kush and 190 proof Everclear. Not every state sells this. There's weird laws in certain states like California for sure. So what we're gonna do is break it down by hand or use a grinder. There we are, 7 grams ground up. Now let's take this Everclear here. Again, this is 190 proof, and we're just gonna dump it in enough until it covers that flower. We want this to be the best, like perfect, potent batch possible. You could add as much as you'd like, but I like going on the lower end. This is typically what I do with my infusions as well. That's looking good. Now all we're gonna do is simply put the lid on top, screw it on. We're gonna put it in the freezer. Today we did for about 8 hours, guys. I've done weeks, and then some people have done like 2 hours. They say there's not a big difference. With this 8 hours in terms of the potency, I didn't notice anything really different. So I think that's a good marker for me today. I was doing other infusions and it's still looking really good. So all we're gonna do is use the Mason Pot fine strainer, pop that little frosty lid right off right there, put in the puck, bada bing, bada boom. We press it down, getting out every last drop of this green dragon here. Looking good. I'm loving this color. Also want to note, I'd recommend using a coffee filter. This strainer is super fine and it actually worked really well. And we have some custom strainers we are making, like coffee filter style, that fit the strainer perfectly coming down the road. As you see though, it's looking good, guys. And now reducing it. I like just letting it out in the air, put it next to a sunny, windowsill, let it reduce naturally. You could also do it on the stovetop or oven to evaporate some of that alcohol so it's not such an intense taste. And that will also increase the potency, guys. Thank you for chilling with the fam. We'll see you on masonpot.com. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube, the Mason Pot YouTube, that would be dope if you did, guys. I'll check you soon.